All right, welcome guys. This is December 21st, 2020. This video is kind of different for some of you guys. I know y'all was probably thinking this was gonna be a car content video, but like I say, by being a YouTuber, a small YouTuber, I'm kind of changing it up a little bit just on some of my videos. Some of it'll be personal, some of it be, car content. But with that said, this content is something that I really needed to get done, and what I plan on getting done. So for those that want to follow, my journey with this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share, comment, give me your advice on what y'all think of it. I know it's not just me, but it's probably a couple of y'all that looking to get this done, but don't want to spend that type of money getting it done. So with that being said, this video here is brought to you by the one and only Byte. So for those of you that don't know what Byte is pretty much like Invisalign, clear Invisalign. I forgot what the other one was called, but Byte is pretty much an affordable one. So instead of you paying $4 and $5 and $6 grand to get the Invisaligns or braces done, Byte comes with a reasonable price. The shipping kit was $29.95, but they had a Christmas deal going on where you can get the whole impression kit for $9.95, which is this one. For those of you not familiar with the impression kit it's pretty much your starter kit, where you get your mold and trays and all that, and you bite your mold and you ship it off. So what we'll be doing in this video is unboxing what comes in your impression kit. With my insurance, I'm with MetLife Insurance, so my process, which is what I'm doing, the day aligners, it's like right at it's like $1,875. But with my insurance, they take off 40%, which is probably about $780 something, which is good. So like I said, with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the video. Part 2, we'll go through the financials and all that stuff and what to expect. So with that being said, let's open up the box and see what comes in the impression kit. So first things first, you get a manual, a nice mirror manual. As you can see in this manual, it has, different pictures, instructions, stuff like that, how to do everything. So that's the first thing you see when you open your box. Once you remove the manual, you would get, it will say this, show us what you got. And then it has their Instagram, all their social media accounts on it. And then it comes in 2 boxes. The top box is, we'll go through what's in the top, but the bottom is your putty. You get 8 cups of putty in there. So let's open up the top box. So in this top box, you get, your top box should come like this. It comes with an instruction pamphlet, as you can see. And then there's a top piece. Right here is your mouth guard, well, mouth scratcher, excuse me, which is the plastic piece that you put in your mouth and it opens your mouth up. Then it comes with the gloves. So you remove that tray and you have your guards to put in your mouth. So each guard, I guess you do 2 imprints of each, 2 at top, 2 at the bottom. That mouth scratcher piece is what opens your mouth up, and then you put the putty in here and you bite down into it, and then you take it out, and I guess you put it back in there or however. We'll go through that in part 2. So you get 4 of those, 2 for the top. I guess you do 2 bites at the top and 2 bites at the bottom. And then once you do that, you'll send it off and get your, I guess they're going to send me a 3D scan of what it looks like and how it goes. But that will also be in part 2 once we get it back, get the results back and everything. Like I said, in this box, you get 8 of the putty cups. They come like little cake cups. They come like little cake cups. They're about, see the size of the putty. So you get 8 of these. It's 4 on one side, I guess, and 4 for the top, 4 for the bottom, however that goes. Or, yeah, I'm guessing. But that's what the manual was for. So that what comes in that package. So, but yeah, like I said, this is a must-have for those of you that's looking to get your teeth done. Like I say, I plan on being in front of this camera a lot, especially doing YouTube videos, and I want to have a good smile. Like I said, my wisdom teeth, when I had them in, they kind of push my teeth around at the bottom, which I really don't like. And as far as my top is going, I just want to get this big one taken care of, which happens when I was a child. My uncle did the old door handle, you know, screen and pull. But with that being said, I do have more content coming to the channel for the car, but I'm kind of be back and forth, switching up a little bit, letting y'all get a little personal, getting a little personal with me and seeing what's going on. Like I say, I have a lot coming 2021. One is gonna be getting these done. I ain't doing no fake teeth and none of that stuff. It's just getting them fixed. 2 is the clothing line. I will be pushing that 2021. I also start taking orders now for the hoodies or the hoodies and sweatpants. I also have shirts coming. Y'all will see that coming up soon. But like I say, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're on our way to 1,000. Let's get there. My channel is pretty much about positivity. I'm not here to try to knock nobody or downgrade nobody or nothing like that. That's what my channel is not about. So like I said, if you have an issue with me, you know, comment, let me know, and I'll comment back to you, and we'll fix that issue. My channel is not about, you know, causing drama. That's not me. If you want that, go to the other channels for that. Mine is about positivity. So with that being said, y'all have a Merry Christmas. Y'all be safe. Have a Happy New Year if I don't post before then. But yeah, man, so you might start seeing a few videos of the Byte. So to my car guys, if y'all see this, man, don't think I'm fading away from the car. The car is still got content coming. I'm just waiting on some of the mods to get here. But yeah, like I said, it's gonna kind of be a little, you know, back and forth with this Byte. Like I said, I want to be in front of the camera talking to you guys, especially, you know, with a good smile. Because at the end of the day, your smile is what draws them in. No, I'm just joking. But nah, man, your smile is everything. Take care of your teeth, take care of your health. But with that being said, I'm out. I gotta let Tawana get this impression. Oh yeah, by the way, she does know what she's doing. She's a dental assistant, so that's a plus also. So I've already had my teeth cleaned at my dentist Thursday, so it's time to get it done, man. Like I say, the wisdom was first. Now it's time to get them straightened, trying to get them whitened, trying to fall off the coffee. But a lot of y'all coffee drinkers know that's the hardest thing to do next to smoking. So with that being said, man, y'all have a happy holiday. Stay safe, stay positive. Peace.